Christian.
My name is Kobe.
And I'm Aggie.
Welcome to QT's 2024 Christmas Party! We are so excited to have all of you here tonight. And I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody's ugliest Christmas sweater. And it looks like, based on what I'm seeing, that the competition is incredibly tough. Meron ako nakita kanina, parang Christmas tree siya. Tapos may
Tingnan mo si Miss Sandra.
Yeah, si Miss Sandra very prepared.
Wow! So,
Sabi Christmas sweater lang sa kanya pang socks.
Siyempre, kailangan Girl Scout ka, diba? And it's really such a pleasure to be here with all of you. We've got an exciting program lined up. Games, prizes, and plenty of laughter. And of course, we'll be crowning our stars of the night.
Before we begin, let us take a moment to acknowledge our esteemed partners who are joining us tonight. Thank you for being here, and let's all give them a warm round of applause.
now, let's start off our night. But before everything else, let's not forget to take a moment of gratitude and thank the Lord for all the blessings that we have received this year. So may I please call one of our associates, Patrick Alcantara.